Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily create flash out transitions to your edits in CapCut. So after you add your clips, you just need to add two keyframes on each clip, and then on the second keyframe, you need to lower the opacity of every clip to 50 like this. Okay, so after you're done, just add a white overlay from the stock video, this one, and after this just crop the durations to fit with the video, then change the size until it cover all of your clip like this. Then go to blend and overlay, lower it to around 60. Click on the check icon. Now duplicate it for every clip. Okay. Lastly, to add the out animation, add the fade out animation on the white overlay. Like this. Okay. Add it for the whole white overlay. So after you add the fade out animation, you are done, and this will be the final result. You can see the flash out transition on the clips. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye.